How to update software on LG phones. To ensure the highest performance from your LG phone, it is recommended to keep the phone updated with the latest software. Checking for available software updates is easy, but before you begin, make sure you have at least 80% battery power. To check for updates, go to Settings, tap on System, then tap on System Updates. Tap on Update LG Software, and tap Check Now for Update. When the update prompt appears, tap on Download or Install, and the process will begin. If there is an update for your phone, but your phone is not showing it as available, please contact your carrier and confirm when the update launched. Allow 2 weeks from the date the update launched before completing the following troubleshooting steps. To troubleshoot a phone not receiving an update, go to Settings, then tap on Storage, tap on Free Up Space, tap on Temporary Files and Raw Files, then select All in this screen and tap on Delete. Once this is complete, then check for an update using the previous set of steps. If the update is still not showing as available, back up your data and then complete a factory data reset. Watch our how-to video in the description. If the phone will not update after completing all these steps, please contact the LG Customer Service Department for assistance and potential repair service for your phone.